Man, it's hard for Homie Boy to make a wax song. Kill a motherfucking beat, do it till the track gone. Thought that I was out the scene forever, now I'm back on. The sights right ahead, bright lights, nigga, clap on. I'm sharp like a razor, you a nair guy. Anything I touch blow, I sit, I make that chair fly. Come and get me out of here, you can get a fair try. I'm flyer than a rocket T plus, nigga, air high. Bumping in your speakers, I'm coming with the ether. They say I'm so invincible, it's nothing to defeat ya. The throne is where my back rests, spitting to my last breath. I ain't lying to you, I'm a lion to these cats left. Moving up the ladder, never backstep. Pimping all these bitches, you can say that I'm the black help. Make fire, bet I sell like the corner store. Serve these lame rappers, hoping that they order more. I'm balling out, shooting guard, sure to score. Kobe in the clutch, I'ma murder them in Q4. Life is a bitch, I just fuck it, then ignore the whore. On the steps of fame and fortune, I just went from door to door. Man, I'm taking off, that make you fucking mad. I ain't a pretty boy, I got a hustle swag. I killed 7 rappers, but I ain't come to brag. And you can be the 8th head in my duffel bag. I want respect and power, first I want the cash. I'm a fly nigga, haters wish I up and crash. I killed 7 rappers, but I ain't come to brag. And you can be the 8th head in my duffel. Back up on my foolish flow, they told me it was cool to go. Bossing on these niggas, want a spot then pick a cubicle. Gutter like a hood nigga, shining like a cubic. So I put that in the middle with my bezel so my jeweler glow. I am nothing clear, flying from a leer. You should nominate me for the coldest rhyming of the year. Scare these other rappers and I'm biased of your fears. Treat a dude like just for men, have them dying up in here. I'm headed for gangsta grills, grinding till I make a meal. These other rappers garbage, so that trash is how I make them feel. Yeah, I want respect, but I'd rather have them take a kneel. I'm speeding in the fast lane, hit the north, shake the wheel. Yeah, I'm on the glory road with miles to show. Rappers throw your talent go, I got the coldest style of flow. Spitting like a Uzi or a motherfucking Calico. Y'all should call for help quick, but I'ma make you dial it slow. Man, I'm taking off, that make you fucking mad. I ain't a pretty boy, I got a hustle swag. I killed 7 rappers, but I ain't come to brag. And you can be the 8th head in my duffel bag. I want respect and power, first I want the cash. I'm a fly nigga, haters wish I up and crash. I killed 7 rappers, but I ain't come to brag. And you can be the 8th head in my